We all have our dietary weaknesses. Often sugar is a culprit. It can be difficult to avoid too, as everything from sodas and decadent dessert to processed foods contain added sugar. But if you or a loved one have a sweet tooth, it is essential to keep an eye on your sugar intake, especially for older adults. Not only does excess sugar increase the risk of insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes, it has also been linked to mild cognitive impairment. Fortunately, there are a wide range of sugar substitutes available, both natural and artificial, to help you reduce the amount of sucrose in your diet. In this video, I'm gonna tell you some disadvantages. So before you take sugar anymore, just take a look at this video and please subscribe my channel to get more informational content. Now let's continue. Question is how sugar affects your health. The health benefits of reducing our sugar intake may be incalculable. High sugar intake has been linked to a wide range of health conditions, either directly through its effect on the body or indirectly due to complications from obesity. There are so many sugar alternatives on the market these days that it can be a chore to simply decide among them, let alone figure out how to use them in your day-to-day diet. One critical factor in your decision should be your reason for reducing sugar. If someone is diabetic, for instance, artificial sweeteners like a better choice than sugar alcohols, which is, for example, natural sweeteners like honey, which can still raise blood sugar, though a lesser extent. Always consult with the doctor first if you are not sure of your best option. A sugar substitute is a food additive that provides a sweet taste like that of sugar while containing significantly less food energy than sugar-based sweeteners, making it a zero-calorie or low-calorie sweetener. You may have heard them called artificial sweeteners or non-caloric sweeteners. They can be used as a tabletop sweetener, for example, to sweeten a glass of iced tea and or as an ingredient in processed foods and drinks. Or you can put fruit on your cereal instead of adding sugar or eating a sweetened cereal. Another sugar substitute is coconut sugar. It's unrefined, so it retains all of its vitamins and minerals, and it doesn't lead to fluctuations in blood sugar. Though diabetics will still want to consult a doctor before incorporating it into their diets, it has the same amount of calories as sugar. Diets high in refined sugar, just like candy bars, cakes, and cookies, can lead to excessive insulin spikes, which in turn triggers inflammation in the skin. What makes your skin look lumpy and glowy, become damaged, possibly leading to premature wrinkling, sagging skin, and acne. Reducing your sugar intake will do just the opposite. This proves that sugar causes inflammation in the skin, so the less you eat, the clearer your complexion may become. It is said that you might lose weight from cutting sugar out of your diet, but there are other variables that go into this too. To clarify, sugar itself doesn't make you gain weight. Eating an excessive amount of sugar can contribute to weight gain. Just as there are different elements that go into gaining weight, there are a few factors that contribute to shedding the extra pounds. Cutting back on sugar is just one of those things. When you reduce or eliminate sugar, shortage of fat will decline slowly and you will lose some weight. However, this takes time, with the effect typically beginning at 1 to 2 weeks. So if you're hoping that omitting sugar from your diet will result in rapid, significant weight loss, however, protein and following a regular exercise routine that includes both cardio and weight training is the key. Basically, eating a lot of refined added sugars can lead to headaches, low energy levels, and inflammation. Or cutting down out of your diet will likely decrease inflammation, boost your energy levels, and improve your ability to focus. And most importantly, eliminating sugar from your diet can improve the overall quality of your sleep in the long run. Breaking up with the sugar won't solve your sleep problems overnight, but in a few weeks' time, you should notice yourself falling into a deeper sleep. Another substitute which you can use instead of sugar is maple syrup. The benefits of maple syrup are plenty. It comes directly from a plant sap and contains over 50 antioxidants. Make sure to grab the real stuff and spread it over waffles or use it in homemade granola or whatever you want. Pure maple syrup is not only high in antioxidants, but every spoonful offers nutrients like riboflavin, zinc, magnesium, calcium, and potassium. Do you know unstable blood sugar can leave you experiencing mood swings, fatigue, and headaches? It also contributes to cravings, yes, cravings, which begins a cycle of false hunger. By contrast, those who avoid sugar report having fewer cravings while feeling more emotionally balanced and energized. So, ladies and gentlemen, from now, start avoiding the white sugar and start taking the substitutes. Trust me, it will good for your health. I hope you will like my video. If you like, then please give a thumbs up. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.